Howdy ladies and gentlemen, today's video will be covering the Irish potato famine. Please enjoy. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Let's begin with the history of this event. Many do not know this, but potatoes were not natively found in Ireland, but were in fact brought over from South and Central America in 1589. And it was promoted in Ireland by rich landowners, who wanted their subjects to plant this crop. By the late 17th century, it had become widespread as a supplementary rather than a principal food, as the main diet was still based on butter, milk, and grain products. By 1800 to 1820, the potato became a staple of the poor, especially in winter. The almighty potato was not just consumed by humans, as 33% of it went towards the feeding of livestock. The blight that caused this event was believed to be brought from Toluca Valley, Mexico. Immediately, government officials began to ban the exporting of food in an attempt to keep it in Ireland, but this was to little success. By the time everything was over, the population fell by 20% to 25% due to the death and mass immigration. To put these into perspective, approximately 1 million people had died, and 1 million more had emigrated from the country. Well, that wraps up the history. Let's go to some fun facts. Number 1. The blight that caused the famine is now extinct. All I have to say is, phew, glad we won't really have a part 2 to it. Number 2. This is believed by some to actually be a genocide. The reason for this is the lack of steps the British government took in order to save the Irish from this famine. Number 3. Approximately a third of the population was living in dire poverty. This is believed to have only bolstered the effects of the famine. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. It would be an awesome early Christmas present and really help the channel out. I'm hungry. I wonder if I have any potatoes.